This mother frickin' truck right here is gonna be an issue.
Well, before that's an issue, let me show the people at home the motor that we just painted. Look how pretty that is. Got the trunk to lift out from the truck. We gotta rebuild the hydraulic rim. In my pants. See how she's walking out? That spring will walk right out of there, and then we can take the cap off and get everything inside. That's it. So that's the first inner set of packings. And then you got a wiper in here and a seal, and that's what blew out on our units. Alright, there's the bottom pack. You got just a bunch of series of O-rings and all that good shit. So what I'm going to do now is clean up the cylinder also. That's it. That's all there was. Well, not really. I'll show you the rest in a minute. Got the middle ring started. Now watch me suck it right up in there. Just by turning the end cap. And that, my friends, is how you rebuild your hydraulic cylinders. Well, at least put it back together. Now, when I suck it in there, it'll drop. There it is. I can cylinder ram things now. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, in and out. Yeah, buddy.
He forgot his wallet. Subject C uses the Speed Pass Plus app to pay for gas and earn rewards with
Getting ready to put this bitch back together.
Even though we don't cuss on our videos.
That's right. PG-13. So we're fixing to get this all cleaned up and painted while we're getting the rest of the stuff prepped and ready. We put the stinger back in the little chevy.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's where I used to stop by all the time and get a can of Freon for the dump truck I drove. Like every day, you know, go load, get there the next day, cause I was doing running dirt right there on Spring Glen. Yeah. Right there, they was doing all that shit, and I was sitting there, it was like me and one other truck all day long, they was digging the ditches, so I was sitting there, you know, for an hour. And you can work, stand right here and work this for us. Yeah, don't drop it on us and you or anything. We're going to have to kind of tilt it one way to slide the bearing in, you know, on both sides. You know what I'm saying?
Should we go ahead and grease? Go ahead and put the slap. Just about got it back in. Got a we need some of those. Getting their welded back up.
Strapped on.
It's a strap on. It's a strap on.
Big.
Wonder where this is.
I wonder.
Huh.
No one ever knows but me. That's right, me. The I-C-E, the bare E-A, the R, yeah, man. Let me tell you what's going on this morning. We're fixing little bitty happy jabby. Look at Scott.
What up?
What up? What are you doing today, Scott?
I'm finished welding.
Look into the camera, Scott. So our audience knows that we're looking at them.
Not ourselves, right? Not ourselves, but
Right.
the camera.
Yeah. How about I look at you and you look at me?
So we're getting the back all welded back in, getting her ass put back in, if you will. I gotta go underneath and hook up the hydraulics this morning. Brand new hoses, new hydraulics everywhere. Yeah. Oh, y'all got that? Did you put a pipe over it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. All right, cool.
To keep it from,
Yeah.
yeah.
Did you put grease in it real good?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Look at it there.
That looks good, don't it?
That one does look good. That from there down.
Good welding there, buddy. All right, I'm gonna go get those snap rings real quick. I'll be right back.
We might as well get the rest of the exhaust out too.
Yeah, I did that to the Bronco the other day. Yeah, that's what, yeah.
Little Chevy's back in action. That's a thing of beauty. Ready to hit the streets. I'm a street survivor.
That's a real street survivor.
Little Saturday night special right here. Look at that. No creaking, no noise. Everything's nice and greased. Like a brand new lift.